What is earthquake? In simple words, earthquake is the shaking of earth. That is seismic activity which are happening below the surface of earth. So in earthquake, there are two important points. One is hypocenter, another is epicenter. What is hypocenter? Hypocenter is the region inside the earth where the actual energy shock happens. When the actual energy shock happens, the waves transfer, and the closest point from the hypocenter to earth surface is called as epicenter, and this is where most impact will be felt. Next, the reasons behind this release of energy. Reasons behind the earthquake is many. One is tectonic. In tectonic, that is faulting. What is faulting? The faulting happens when the plates moves. The plate moves in different ways. One is extension, that is tensional. They move away from each other. Tensional. This also releases energy, which will result in earthquakes. And second is compression. When they come together, this is also releasing the energy, which will result in earthquakes. This also leads to fold mountains such as Himalayas. That is another thing. And there is transform mountains. When there is no direct impact, but they will be moving to along adjacent to each other. When they will be moving adjacent to each other, it will result in energy release as well. These things result in earthquakes. Another is volcanic. That is whenever the volcano happens around a region, this volcanic shock waves result in earthquakes as well. There is a stress built up by volcanoes. This stress results in earthquake as well. And then is human induced. How human induced? Whenever there is a heavy mining activities in a particular region, it results in earthquakes. Also, reservoir induced seismicity. That is because of reservoirs built by dams. These dams will result in extended pressure by the water stored here. This results in seismicity. That is what happened in Koyna earthquake. So Koyna reservoir is there. It resulted in Koyna earthquake. Next, types of earthquakes. Okay, types of earthquakes. These earthquakes are divided based on the depth of their hypocenter. From at what distance from the surface of the earth are they? So one is shallow. That is the distance is between 0 to 70 kilometers. This is shallow. And then is intermediate. That is 70 to 300 kilometers is the intermediate distance. And deep earthquakes are 300 to 700 kilometers. Okay, from the surface. These are called as deep earthquakes. These deep earthquakes are normally found in Banach zone. What is Banach zone? Banach zone is a place which is found at the subduction of two plates. The heavier plate subducts under and the lighter plate moves up. So this is what? This is the heavier plate. This is lighter plate. When the heavier plate goes inside below the another one, this is called a subduction zone. And this subduction zone creates a Banach zone where energy starts releasing. Okay, this is called as Banach zone. Okay, very important.